Hey guys, it's Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. Today, let's talk about how interest rates affect the real estate business and could affect your business. So, a really easy way to look at this is, let's say you're a homeowner, you're buying a house, and the interest rates are at 4%, and you buy a house for $100,000, right? It costs $100,000 at a 4% interest rate. I don't know what the payment is, it doesn't really matter. Well, if that interest rate goes up to 6%, the monthly payment is the exact same. On that property, the exact monthly payment would buy that property for $80,000. So as you can see, if the interest rate goes from 4% to 6%, that $100,000, the monthly payment on that $100,000 house now is an $80,000 house. Your payment is the same. So there's a lot of kind of key takeaways that you can think about related to this. Let's say you're buying rental properties and the interest rate goes up. Your cash flow obviously is going down. Let's say you're a real estate investor and you're flipping a house and all of a sudden the rates go up, kind of like they are doing right now as I sit here. And they're not going up tremendously and it won't make a huge impact, but all of a sudden you have a house that would sell to a homeowner who can qualify for a $225,000 price point. Now maybe they can only qualify for a $210,000 or $215,000 price point. So obviously small increments of loan costs, of financing interest rates don't impact things too much, but if they're big drastic, they do, and it's also important to understand kind of how that can impact you in so many ways. I know a lot of wholesalers or flippers and things like that say, the rates don't really affect me that much, but let's be honest, the interest rates in banks affect everything on a very broad level because you need to make sure there's homeowners that can qualify for long-term mortgages on these properties, or if you have a rental property, you want to make sure there's sufficient and accessible debt on these deals as well. So just something to think about. I'd like to bring that up. If anyone else has any comments related to this, please feel free to comment below. Happy to answer this. These are things that kind of go through my mind on a regular basis that we talk through, and it does impact the real estate business as a whole. This is Jason with your Private Money Minute. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks.